Hey everyone and welcome. We're the team at CodeItBro, and today we're so excited to give you a tour of one of our absolute favorite tools, the Hacker Typer Simulator. We built this thing to bring a little bit of that Hollywood movie magic right into your browser. So let's get into it.
You know that scene, right? It's always a dark room, there's glowing green text scrolling everywhere, and some genius is just flying across the keyboard, breaking into a mainframe in like 30 seconds flat. It's such a classic fantasy, and honestly, we've always found it super entertaining.
And that's pretty much why we built the Hacker Typer Simulator. We wanted to give everybody a chance to live out that little fantasy, but in a way that's completely safe, ridiculously easy to use, and, let's be honest, just a whole lot of fun. So, what is this tool exactly? Let's clear that up right away, because it's probably not what you're thinking. This has absolutely nothing to do with real hacking.
At its core, the Hacker Typer is just what it says it is, a simulator. It's basically a fake coding screen. You can mash any keys on your keyboard, go on, just smash them, and perfectly formatted, totally realistic-looking code will just appear on the screen. It's a prank and entertainment tool, pure and simple.
And that brings us to what's most important to us, your safety and your privacy. The entire tool runs right in your browser. It's all client-side. That means nothing you type is ever uploaded, no real code is ever executed, and your data never ever leaves your computer. You can even use it offline once the page is loaded. It is all visual, all for show. All right, enough talk about what it is. Let's get to the fun part, actually using it. Seriously, you can go from zero to Hollywood hacker in less than a minute. I'll show you exactly how. Getting started is so simple. First, you just pick a scenario. Maybe you want to look like you're running a security scan or writing a Python script. Then you get to customize the look. Pick a theme, pick a font, get the vibe just right. After that, just click the screen and start typing anything. And for the grand finale, you can trigger these awesome special effects with a few hotkeys for that perfect cinematic moment.
Okay, let's really dive into the best part, which is personalizing the whole experience. This is where you get to craft the perfect scene and make the terminal look exactly the way you want it.
So we've preloaded the simulator with more than 8 different coding environments. You can make it look like you're digging into a Node.js backend, running a security scan, you name it. We've probably got it covered. But, and this is the really cool part, for total control, you can even paste in your own custom code. And from there, you can really nail the aesthetics. You can go for that classic matrix screen theme, or maybe a cool retro amber look. You can also switch up the fonts. And you can even control the typing speed, from a slow, deliberate pace, all the way up to a frantic turbo mode. It's all up to you.
And this is where the real movie magic happens. With these hotkeys, you're basically directing your own scene. After a few seconds of intense typing, you tap Alt 3 times and bam, you get that triumphant access granted message. Or, for some drama, hit caps lock 3 times for a big access denied. The shift combos add even more flair, letting you trigger things like breach alerts or camera access to really sell the scene.
Now, you might be thinking this is just a fun little prank tool, but it's actually turned into this surprisingly versatile creative asset. You might be surprised to find out who's using it and what they're using it for.
I mean, yeah, people are definitely pranking their friends. But we've also seen tons of content creators using it for techie-looking backgrounds on YouTube and TikTok. It's even been used as a prop on actual film sets. We've heard from teachers who use it to make cybersecurity demos more engaging. And we've even seen it up on huge screens at tech conferences to create a really cool atmosphere.
We absolutely love creating fun tools like this one, but as a company that's all about developers and creators, we also think it's important to be responsible. So while we're on the topic of hacking, even the fake kind, let's take a quick second to talk about staying safe online for real.
So, just to be perfectly clear, our tool is all about having fun with fake hacking. But real-world cybersecurity is definitely something we should all be taking very seriously.
And you know what? It doesn't have to be complicated. A few simple habits can make a huge difference. Always use strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. Turn on 2-factor authentication whenever you can. Keep your software updated. Be really careful about suspicious links and emails. And make sure you're backing up your important files. These basic steps go such a long way.
And all of this really ties back to our mission here at CodeItBro. We're just passionate about creating the best free tools we can for the web, whether they're for fun, like the Hacker Typer, or for boosting your productivity and security. We really hope you'll take a minute to check out some of our other tools too.
So, that's the Hacker Typer Simulator. We've shown you what it is, how it works, and all the cool ways you can make it your own. So I guess the only question left is, what are you going to create with it? We can't wait to see. Thanks for watching.